The PaintManager XI color software is a powerful color management tool that takes technicians, managers, and shop owners to an entirely new level of productivity and performance in their workplace. This short video will help you select color chips. Let's get started. Check the car that you're refinishing for the paint code, then head over to the PaintManager XI color software. The first thing we'll need to do is ensure that the color boxes are turned on. Click Settings and then Color Tools. Select the color chip decks your shop uses and then click Save to save your settings. From the main menu, type the color code you pulled from the vehicle into the search bar at the top of the screen. In this case, we'll say the color code is 2Z, a shade of black. We also know that the vehicle we're working on is a 2006 Hyundai vehicle. Because we know this, we can select the result that says Hyundai 2006. You'll see a wide range of paint lines and variants, as well as a color chip icon for the codes that you have paint chips for. Select a few results that seem close to the vehicle, then pull those color chips to compare. You've used the PaintManager XI color software to manually pull a color chip to perform a vehicle match. Next, we will accelerate this process by using the RapidMatch spectrophotometer. Once you've taken a reading with your spectrophotometer, connect the device to your computer and go to RapidMatch and then Download from Spectro. You'll see the list populate with the reading or readings you just took. This is your target reading and will be used to base comparisons off of search results. Select the target reading you want to find a match for. Then type in the paint code of the vehicle. In this case, we'll be using a reading from a black Hyundai with a paint code of 2Z. We'll enter the paint code and model, as well as our paint line, and then click Search. We're greeted with a number of results, some of which have color codes depending on your shop's inventory, which can then be pulled and compared with your vehicle. You've successfully pulled a color chip with the PaintManager XI color software. Be sure to contact our help desk if you have any further questions, and as always, keep a close eye out for future videos in this series.